Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I went to Walmart today and I found this small parts organizer. We're going to do a review on this, and I can tell already right now before we can get started one of the disadvantages of this thing. So let me rearrange the camera, get my tape measure handy. We're going to do a quick review on this thing. I do appreciate you being here. Here's the container. See if I can get that glare off of here. Bought it at Walmart. Made by Hart, H-A-R-T. It is a pretty fairly nice container, but the only thing I do not like about it is the handle on top, right here. I prefer the handles that fold down and can be hidden instead of permanently affixed like this. But other than that, not a bad container. Has two clasps right here on the side. Let's see here. Let's open that up. The top does not go all the way flat, but it is at an angle so it won't fall back. It's got 8 removable compartments made out of plastic. These two bigger ones are double the size of the smaller ones. Now there's another thing I don't like about this is these two, well, these 3 compartments right here, for some reason they do not go all the way to the bottom. I don't know why. It's kind of a wasted space to me. These are only just under 2 inches deep, and the whole thing is 3 3/4. So you're losing approximately 1.5 inches storage space on these smaller two right here, and about 1/2 inch of storage space on this one. Makes no sense to me, but I didn't design it. It is what it is. These bigger compartments, they are approximately 4 1/4 by 6 1/8 by 3 1/2 inches deep. And you'll see on the lid right here, it's got all these indentions on here, so you can close it. If you take those out, such as that, it has these indentions right here, so if you remove compartments, those won't slide around. You'll see how it's encapsulated right there. So that's a good feature. Those won't move around. Get this back open. Now you can move these around to the configuration that you like. It doesn't really matter. Go there, there. And another thing on the bottom, you'll see how these are molded, and on the inside that's another way they won't slip. It's because they're molded to that shape. Guess it could go that way too. Made for this way. You could put it in the center. It'd be fine. In case you had something else that was kind of an odd shape. Anyway, pretty nice little tool here. Let me grab the ones I dropped on the floor. Here we go. Won't fit like that. It will fit like that. And smooth these to the end right here and right there. So it is pretty nice. It has these hinges like this, like you see on most of these cases. Okay, on the label here, Customizable, 9 removable storage bins. Durable, metal latch and handle. Overall size, 16.5 inches by 14.6 inches by 3.9 inches deep. www.harttools.com. Does come with a limited 3-year warranty. Part number HSHSP1. So, it is a pretty nice little container here. I believe it was around $15. Not the cheapest for this style, but sure isn't the most expensive. I think I'll get some use out of this. Let me try something out here. Let's try this out. I've got some GoPro style cameras here. Let's see how they stack up in here. Okay, I've got 5 of these GoPro style cameras. Easily fits 3 in one of these compartments. These smaller ones will only fit, well, you could force 2 of them in like this. That one's a little bit big. That one's a little bit big. But anyway, be a good little accessory kit to hold your GoPros or sports action cameras, whichever way you want to call them. Does not fit in these little ones here. Might be a pretty good accessory or carrying case for your GoPros or any other sports cameras, any other videoing equipment. Don't have an issue with this. My name is Carl. I do appreciate you being here today.